Permanent magnets containing rare earth elements, particularly neodymium-based magnets, play a key role in the green transition. Their ideal magnetic properties enhance efficiency of key technology applications such as electric vehicle traction motors and wind turbines. But since permanent magnets are mainly produced outside Europe, there is a risk to security of supply in Europe. Therefore, a European permanent magnet supply chain is needed to support the energy transition. This is precisely the aim of the Horizon Europe project MAGELLAN, which brings together partners from academia, research and industry. MAGELLAN will create a solution for recycling and manufacturing permanent magnets to be used in electric vehicle traction motors. The design of these motors will be optimized for efficient dismantling and increased use of magnets coming from recycled materials. MAGELLAN will design and produce advanced magnet shapes and high-performing magnets, with 25% recycled materials from electric vehicles, e-bikes, e-scooters and other small appliances. MAGELLAN will significantly increase the reuse of rare earth elements from end-of-life magnets, therefore reducing the need for extensive mining operations. In addition, the manufacturing process of recycled magnets will generate up to 50% less CO2 emissions than the conventional magnet production route. Our solution will pave the way for a 2,000 tons year supply chain, about 10% of the 2040 forecasted European electric vehicle traction motors market. Join us on our journey to secure Europe's rare earth elements supply, reshape the electric vehicle industry, and boost the green transition.